If you're looking for the best kitchen knife set, you've come to the right place. If you are choosing between several popular options like kitchen knife set, focus on blade material, grip comfort, and storage safety. Full tang builds control, edge retention, and durability. A well-balanced set reduces hand strain. This matters for daily prep speed and injury prevention. Consider your budget, counter space, and cooking frequency. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 6. This set positions itself with a sleek block and polished finish that looks neat on the counter. It bundles 15 blades and tools, aiming to cover everyday slicing, chopping, and mincing in a single kit. The balanced handles and defined zones help you grab the right knife fast, which speeds up prep without constant searching. For newer cooks, the layout acts as a basic guide, showing which blade suits each task. Straightforward care and a clear holder make cleanup easier. I slot it here because it answers the who, what, and how for an entry-level cook seeking structure. Number 5. For everyday home cooking, this 15-piece set leans on German steel and a broad range of knives. The build highlights sturdy construction and very sharp blades, helping you slice through vegetables, fruits, bread, and meat with controlled effort. Because the set includes multiple tools, you spend less time swapping between tasks and more time preparing food. It suits beginner cooks and small kitchens who want one box with different cutting tools, instead of hunting for separate gadgets. The combination of clear benefits and simple maintenance earns it a slot on a comparison list for people planning a starter collection with balanced performance. Number 4. Lightweight balance and a slim grip make this set feel comfortable during longer prep sessions. The Amazon Basics 14-piece high-carbon stainless set supplies a broad range of everyday tools in one cabinet. High-carbon stainless boosts edge retention and rust resistance, which helps when storing knives in damp drawers. A mixed range of blades supports chopping, slicing, and spreading without needing specialist tools. Clear size guides and simple care instructions lower the barrier for beginners. A sturdy storage block or sheaths keeps edges safe and reduces accidental nicks. Strong seller ratings point to dependable delivery and responsive customer support for a low-risk first set. Number 3. For buyers seeking overall value, starting with a warm wooden grip and a sleek black block, this set catches the eye on the counter. The Astercook Knife Set offers a focused selection of everyday blades, covering basic prep needs. Balanced weight and a comfortable handle help reduce hand fatigue during longer tasks. Full tang builds stability, while an easy-to-clean design suits busy home kitchens. It works for home cooks and first-time chefs who want a tidy setup without overspending. The styling and included storage options help it fit right into a practical yet stylish kitchen, earning its spot on this list. Number 2. When it comes to practical performance, starting with a slim, balanced profile that feels steady without heavy strain, this 8-piece knife set targets everyday meal prep. It combines a chef knife, santoku serrated blade, paring knife, and kitchen shears, handling slicing, chopping, and detail work in one box. The included universal block keeps edges guarded and organized, reducing cuts during storage. This layout suits tight drawers and cautious beginners who rotate tasks often. Because each blade serves a clear role, you avoid juggling extra gadgets yet cover core techniques. For shoppers weighing budget against completeness, it fills key gaps while staying beginner-friendly and easy to store. Number 1. Starting with a compact, space-smart layout, this Astercook Knife Set brings 15 tools into a single streamlined package. The advanced coating on each blade helps resist rust and everyday wear, which matters for cooks balancing busy schedules with basic upkeep. An integrated wooden block with a built-in sharpener keeps edges ready without extra gadgets, supporting safer, smoother prep sessions at home. This set is tailored for home cooks and first-time chefs who want clear, simple tools without complex extras. Because it combines multiple knives, storage, and maintenance in one package, it earns a spot on a checklist for practical, focused kitchen upgrades. This set delivers solid everyday cutting with balanced weight and edge retention for smoother slices. The ergonomic handles reduce hand strain during long prep sessions, while the storage block keeps blades organized and safe. Non-reactive surfaces handle acidic foods without flavor transfer, and the dishwasher-safe design simplifies cleanup. Ideal for beginners wanting structured guidance. Careful steel hardness and bolster design support controlled chopping. Check the links below for current pricing and details.